Is Linux really better than Windows? Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been debated for years. Is Linux really better than Windows? We'll explore this question by delving into the key differences between these two operating systems and considering various factors that might influence your choice. But first, let's establish what an operating system is. What is an operating system? An operating system, or OS, is a crucial piece of software that manages a computer's resources, bridging the gap between hardware and the applications we use daily. It handles tasks like memory management, input-output operations, and provides a user interface. Some well-known OS examples include Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. A brief history of Linux and Windows. Now, let's take a brief look at the history of Linux and Windows. Linux, an open-source OS, was born in 1991, known for its stability, security, and flexibility. In contrast, Windows, developed by Microsoft, debuted in 1985 as a graphical extension of MS-DOS. Both have evolved over time, with Windows 10 being the latest iteration. So, which operating system is best for you? Let's consider some key factors. For those who appreciate ease of use and broad software compatibility, Windows often comes out on top. It's widely supported and known for its user-friendly interface. But Linux isn't far behind. Cost and customization. When it comes to cost, Linux takes the lead. Many distributions, like Ubuntu and Mint, are free to use. Additionally, Linux offers more customization options, allowing users to tailor their desktop environment to their liking. Software and development. If you're a developer or rely on open-source software, Linux is an excellent choice. It provides a wide range of development tools and a strong community. However, Windows shines when it comes to proprietary software like Adobe products. Security. In terms of security, Linux tends to be more secure due to its lower susceptibility to viruses and malware. Windows, being the most popular OS globally, is often a prime target for cyber attacks, although it has improved significantly in recent years. Linux's advantages. Linux offers several advantages over Windows, such as enhanced security, customization, a supportive community, open-source nature, better performance on older hardware, greater control, efficiency in terminal operations, and respect for privacy. So, is Linux really better than Windows? Well, it ultimately depends on your needs, preferences, and the type of work you do. Both Linux and Windows have their strengths and weaknesses, making it essential to weigh your options carefully. Whether you prefer the familiarity of Windows or the freedom of Linux, the choice is yours. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech insights. Until next time, stay tech savvy.